Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the accessibility shortcut menu in this device. So in this device I already enabled this menu. You can see this is the accessibility shortcut menu. So let me show you how to enable this one. For this, go to settings, then scroll down, tap on the option additional settings. Then here you can see the option accessibility. Tap on this one, then tap on accessibility button, accessibility menu. Then we need to turn on this option. Now you can see this is the menu. Tap on this one, you will get lots of shortcuts here. You can do the volume down and volume up, and without the lock button, without the power button, you can easily lock the device. Without the power button, you can easily power off this device. If you go to next page, you can easily take the screenshot also from this accessibility shortcut menu. So simply in this way you can enable the accessibility shortcut menu in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.